Hello everyone, today we're going to create this loop animation of a spinning torus. This is a follow along tutorial video, so we will slow down and make sure you have everything you need to create this project. First of all, we need a torus knot, and this knot comes within Blender. If you go to the Edit Preference, type Actual Object in the add-on, to make sure you click the add-on and save your preference. First, we Shift A and we add a Mesh Torus object. You select the torus knot and then go to the bottom left and then you put 250 in the resolution. Then tap into the editor mode and hit Alt to select a ring edge. And then you go to the top of the select loops, edge rings to select all the edge rings for this torus. Now we hit S0 to make a curve for this small torus to follow. So right now it's still not a curve yet. In order to make a curve, we need to remove some vertices. So you can see we have 6,250 vertices at the moment. And if you go to the top menu, Mesh Cleanup, Merge by Distance, you can remove 6,000 vertices. So now it's time to tap out of the Edit mode and add another torus knot under the Mesh Torus object, torus knot. Then add a small torus, rotate 90 degrees on the y-axis by hit R90Y, tap into the Edit mode. Use Alt to select the mid-edge and Ctrl B to bevel, E to extrude, S to scale, and we will get a ring shape. Now to add a material to this torus, you can add a new golden material and shade smooth. Make sure the normal auto smooth is on. You can add a more different material here, such as glass, rubber, or anything you like. So Alt H to unhide everything. And now we need this small torus to follow the curve. So we add Object Constraint and the target should be curve. So we go to the Object, Convert to Curve, and select this curve. Click the Follow Curve option and animate the path. You go to the Curve Property setting to set the path animation frames to 250 and a space bar to play the animation. We also need to rotate the torus R90 on Z-axis. And now the small torus is following the path. One last thing we can do is to add an empty. Click the curve and torus knot and parent it to the empty by clicking the Ctrl P. And use the eye to keyframe the rotation of the empty. Click N to bring out the menu. On the frame 0, use your mouse to hover over the rotation and I to keyframe it. On the frame 250, change XYZ to 360 and keyframe it. That way the torus knot will rotate in all directions for a full 360 degrees during this length of the animation. And then use space bar to play the animation, and that's everything you need. Now you can add camera, background, lights, materials, and export the animation. Hope you like this tutorial. See you next time.